So I'm meeting up with the model.
Guys, see what we have here.
Oh God.
She came with a box for a street shoot, guys. Like, who does that?
I mean, Precious and only Precious, honey.
Yeah, so guys, meet Precious. I know you've seen her face before, but she's gonna be my model for today. So she's trying to get somewhere to change right now. I hope, I thought she would have actually changed before coming, but okay, you try it, you try it.
Like, you know,
Because she's yeah. Rather go sit outside while I wait for her to change. I think I can even start my pictures from here because they got like a very like, let me show you guys. They have like a very nice setting right here. That's the heater. This heater could actually be my main light, and I could have that as my practical backlight. It's straight, yeah. We just have to make it work. I don't think I've actually taken time out to like go out and actually do stuff outside. Woo, this has some hot lights. I know I'm looking very orangey right now, but that's the vibe. Let's talk about gear. Today I'll be shooting with the Panasonic Lumix S5 and also a 35mm Sigma f2 DGDN lens. I felt since it's more like a outdoor kind of shooting, which I want to incorporate more of the backgrounds and, you know, the whole scenery into it, I wanted something not too wide, but like something wide enough to be able to like have the environment and the shots at the same time. And I also brought the Sigma 50mm f1.4. Yeah, f1.4. So I felt okay, shoot, in case I just need to like get a more close-up portrait, but still incorporating the environment and the shot.
This looks nice. Hey guys, check this out. Check this out. Come on.
Oh, I love this. I love this. We're gonna make restart. You know what? Yeah, you know the funny thing is, when I sat here, I was like, okay, you know what? We could actually even start from somewhere here.
Ooh,
or what do you think?
Yes, I
yeah, so we could actually start from somewhere here, then we'll go out and get that sorted.
So guys, when I was recording, I think I mistakenly pressed the audio button, so I couldn't get any audio. I requested she walk down this particular road also while I take a picture while walking, so we just have more like a lifestyle kind of like picture. And I was currently shooting with the 35mm right here at f2. As you can see, the camera setting on my camera right here. And yeah, we moved location also down the road, and we got some other shots down the road. You can see the camera setting right there. I found this new location when I was just walking down the road around Liverpool Street in London, and I requested the model stand right here so I could shoot out against the leading lines, and yeah, it actually turned out real good. And at the same time, I requested she do more like kind of like a commercial fashion kind of poses also, and yeah, you can see the images, guys, and I'm so in love with these images. Like, they really turned out real good, just how I expected them to.
So guys, we're back in the station. We're leaving Liverpool Street. We're going down to around Tower Bridge just to have a different type of like picture. And she's strutting, like she's really strutting, guys, because she's feeling herself bad. That's mad. That's mad.
Guys, love it.
She's preaching self-love right now.
Self-love, baby. It's all about self-love. You gotta love yourself. Come on, don't do.
Soon we're gonna be here. Yay! So yeah, we should be in Tower Bridge in no time and get some stunning picture. And I think she's gonna be changing our look for that one. So we just have a different environment, a different look. So
Yeah. Stay tuned.
So, can you change in the pop?
Can you change, guys? It sounded like Manchester. Can you change the pop?
Can you change in the pop?
I think so.
Can you change in the pop?
Can you change the pop? Yeah.
Oi, mate. Okay, yeah, that's the Tower Bridge right there.
Oh, look at the hat. So beautiful, man. Lovely.
Yeah, sorry. You're giving all your Manchester vibe. After the long walk, we're finally here at St. Catherine's Dock.
But yeah, guys, I'm going for black and white theme. Just It's simple, but the way I styled it made it look elegant. So yeah, as I said before, I'm all about classy, simple, elegance, and of course, with a little bit of chic. Just saying.
Yeah, so somewhere. There. Okay, let's move. Sure.
You guys, it's a fucking mess. I'm sorry,
I'm gonna censor that, guys. So yeah, we're done, guys, and we just want to grab a couple of drinks and yeah, before we head home. It was fun shoot. How was it?
It was good. Like, location was good, but I'm kind of cold. But
Yeah, should you tune into this? Remember, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Ciao.